Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying network basics and removing quick blockers. First, make sure your Mac is online, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and that other devices can reach websites. Next, clear Safari's cache and disable extensions so an add-on isn't blocking pages. Then change your DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8. 8. 8 in System Preferences Network to rule out name resolution issues. Once done, restart Safari and try the page again to see if the problem moves from network to browser. Now you dig into Safari's internal settings and system factors. Open Safari Preferences and reset privacy, disable content blockers, and revert any experimental features you changed. These can break page loads. Make sure your max date and time are correct. SSL certificates fail if time is wrong, then review key certificates in Keychain Access. If the issue persists, create a new user account or boot into safe mode to isolate profile issues. This narrows whether the problem is Safari-specific. System-wide, finish by repairing network services and performing final recovery steps. Flush the DNS cache and restart mDNS responder using terminal commands to clear stale name records, then reboot your Mac. Run software update to install Mac OS and Safari fixes, or reinstall the latest combo update if available. After that, test loading the page again. If it still fails, collect console logs and note error messages before contacting Apple support or your network admin. As a troubleshooting tip, keep a screenshot of any SS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.